Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a technical video showing you details of the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown for use with a trailer mount in a personal watercraft. So the multi-lift, as you may know, is available for lots of different applications. So the same multi-lift you're using in your boat may be applicable in your RV. Also in a swimming pool, hot tub, lifting a wheelchair, lots of different possibilities. Even in your home to get in and out of a bathtub, on and off of the toilet, in and out of bed, lots of different possibilities. ATVs, UTVs, even equestrian applications for a horse, lots of different possibilities. So what are the components of the system? Let's review that. And I'd also like to point out, please make sure to get a general overview. This is a technical video, but to get a general overview of the product and to find out more about what it actually accomplishes and see the product in action, please check out the videos in the notes field down below and or go to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/accessun. Right under the banner in the little magnifying glass, you can type in the word boat or RV or really anything else you want in that little circle down below. So the system is battery operated, and we'll show you a little bit where the batteries are here. Now again, your system may be very different. Each one is configured by our design team. So this is one particular configuration showing lithium-ion batteries, and you can see you've got a controller here. Everything's replaceable by the consumer, so if you need any service, you're able to do it yourself. We simply send you the parts and you can put them on. That's how the system is designed. Right here, that's the spreader bar. That's what's going to hook to the sling. That's removable. Swing arm, also removable. So we'll take this apart right in front of you here. The safety pins, extremely important. Okay, these must be in place when the lift is in use. They ensure that this is not going to pop off. So now we've got that removed, we can take the lift right off. These are extensions. They're going to come in very different configurations from application to application. And this mount here, this can be located in many different locations. It can be up front for a bow rider, open bow type situation, or a fishing boat if you want to get into the front. It can be located here to get you here, here, there, and there. And in this particular case, it can actually get you into the driver's seat. Rear, we can have the mount over here and we can have it on the opposite side. It all depends on what you're trying to accomplish. And again, we've also got deck mounts for getting into the water. We've got hot tubs. You can do so many different things. If you got a pontoon boat, you want to get in the water, we may be able to help you there. Everything depends. You'll want to talk to your Access Unlimited rep to find out what's going to be applicable and what cross application possibilities exist for your particular lift and your particular boat. So we're going to pull this right off here, take this pin right out, remove the extensions so that we can get a little bit more detail on the mount itself. I'm going to bring the camera right in here. So this is your safety pin. That's going to go right in there. Now, this technology right here is kind of cool. This allows us to give you the different preloads because you never know what the angle of your trailer is going to be, but we want the lift to be able to tilt in the right direction. So this is the, we call this the smile, and this is basically gives you pivot capabilities in multiple axes. So looking around this side, we can compensate for different angles of your boat in different directions. That's kind of a real neat technology. This stuff is super, super strong. We make units up to 350 pounds and even beyond for custom applications. So you got lots of possibilities. We're hooking up to your trailer. Now, you'll see down here, again, this is a very specific application. So yours may look totally different. If you see this and you say, well, that's not going to fit on my boat, it doesn't mean that it won't fit on your boat because each of these is custom made. So this application right here, we've got a bolt that goes right down across the frame so that we're not going into the structural portion of the frame. We do drill through cross members, but we do not drill through the main frame of the boat for structural reasons. Okay, so this particular setup here, we're through bolted into the cross member over there underneath the keel. We're going to bring you right around here from this side. because it may be difficult to get measurements, we've got actually, this is uh, not a common application here, but it's one that is available on certain applications that we may provide. And this is an adjustable stabilizer arm. So here we've got just a whole bunch of different holes here. So depending on the curvature of the trailer frame in this area, you can go through different areas here. So we'll bring in the camera so you can take a little bit of a closer look from up above here and see all the different options. And you can see we got to have bolt on this side and bolt on that side, and we've been able to accomplish that. Make it really easy to do the installation. This is also adjustable here. You drill these holes. So the installation is really not too bad. Gives us the opportunity to get this roughly in the place that we want it. Gives us a little bit of forgiveness if the measurements that we get from you are a little bit different. So this is a technical presentation of the multi-lift boat trailer mount. Hope you like what you see. Again, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/accessun. You've got over 4,500 different options there. Look for the keyword boat in the little search icon under the banner, and you can look for all kinds of different things that we've done. You can follow us on Twitter at @accessun. We're on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. Instagram is Access Unlimited. Pinterest is Access Unlimited, 2 different words. You can contact us primarily on our website at www.accessunlimited.com, or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. We do ship internationally, and our country code is country code 1. Thank you so much for watching this. Check out our YouTube channel, grab a barrel of popcorn, and have some fun learning about different mobility options that will get you where you want to go. Have a great day and happy sailing.